Easy there, Tyler. Easy. It's still 9:15. We made it. We made it. So, what see what the hell we got going on here. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend, right? Yeah. Just coming off of a weekend. I did absolutely nothing. You're looking at the wrong chart. So this is the hourly. I guess we should just expect higher prices, right? We've got a new day gap down. We got a gap down here on the daily. Can we put some text in here? What's up, stock trader? Oh, we've got a gap down there and between these 2 days, but we're basically at it between today and Friday. So I guess if we go down, we could be targeting that. It's only it's over 100 points now. Oh, it's 300 points. What am I doing? I should finish my coffee before we do this. 4 hour. We have this huge gap here that has not been tapped at all. I guess we expect higher prices. On the 4 hour, we could come down into here first, which I'm sure there's gaps on the lower time frames as well. There's the hourly. I don't know. We just look for higher prices. Or we'll just wait for a nice setup to form. We'll wait for a swing high, swing low to be taken out, and then a reversal. We're going to pass this account this week. That's the plan. We are at 2258. So we don't have much more to go. What do we have left? 741 something. $741.49. We're gonna pass this biatch with micros. I did have one trade on Friday that I accidentally took on minis, but the rest of the time this has been micros. What's up, Clarity? So the plan is to just keep doing what we're doing and try to pass it. If we don't pass it this week, that's fine, but we have to pass it next week because next week will be week 4. And I'm pretty sure that renews at a full price. And I paid like $17 for it. No way in hell I'm paying 100 something for it. When I think Bulanox is doing 90% off right now, so I might need to start. Once we pass that, I need to pick up some more. I want to start working on getting just PAs for everybody. On the 5-minute with the point of controls, volume stuff. Oh, we need to look at the news too. I don't understand. What is this? It like has a... This is like Sunday. But it needs a start. That should still be today. Then there's another one starting at 5. What? What is going on with that? I have it on set to... Or you guys can't see that. It's set to 1 day. Step period. Oh, I think I need to put it to step period. We'll step it every hour. And put it on CME index's full day. I think maybe that's what I needed to do. That's way worse. Oh, here we go. Step period day and put it to a full day. Okay, that looks way better. Way better. Okay, we gotta look at the news. And what time is it? Oh, it's only 9:22. Freaking out. We need to get that orb bot turned on. We'll run that with just we'll do 2 micros today. Aim for 22 ticks. That's it. So just I made some updates to it over the weekend and sent out updates to everybody who bought it. And I need to make sure it's doing what it's supposed to do. So we need to run it too. Okay, on the hourly refresh. Doesn't look like there's any news today. Get the orb out. I'm gonna put this on Bulanox. We'll do 2 minutes. I like that last time. So we'll close it at 9:32 regardless of what happens. We'll offset it by 1 point. And then aim for 22 ticks. Too long, too short, 22 ticks. Okay. We'll hit start. Access granted. Our bot is running. We're getting some latency issues, which is absolutely incredible. I'm gonna do a 2-point offset if we're gonna have just in case of those latency issues. Okay. I kind of like a short up here, actually. There's a potential I will get into a short right after this open happens. On the 5 minute, we've got a point of control down here, and then we had that new day gap from the other day, like way down there. Is that still on my charts? No. Point of control down there, the new day gap is like 300 points away. And we had some big fair value gaps lower. I don't know exactly where. I'm just gonna, if we don't break these highs at open, then I'll get into a short right after this bot trade. Back here on the minute, we made a higher high and then displaced down, and we've been respecting that. Of course, if we go higher, I'm not gonna take it, obviously. I'm just pointing out what I see at the moment. I think I had everything turned on. Trades are on. Okay. All right, now we can wait. Oh, I don't think I have my risk set for those. We'll just risk 10 points, I guess. I guess maybe we're gonna go break those highs right now. There it is. Could still get a reversal up here after the market opens. Let's see what this open trade does. Again, just two micros, aiming for a little over 5 points. We've been getting some massive candles right before open. Jesus. That looks like the open candle. Now the open candle is going to be little. Getting some latency issues once again. Why did it? I don't think my chart is what the hell is this? My order wasn't even up at the bar. We got filled like way beneath trying to load back into Rhythmic because I was getting a lot of issues. There we go. Oh, did it work? Oh, it worked. I thought I got stopped out. Okay, well, it's weird. Yeah, I mean, my trade worked. Here's the 929 candle, and we had a short down here, and we went down there. But that was weird because my chart didn't look like this. Oh, Rhythmic is so annoying. I do like a short though here. We made higher highs. We displaced down. We'll get into 2, and it's not letting me have my volume profile up here anymore. I think I want to aim for at least 18,000. 5 minutes at this low. I think that was where one of them was. So yeah, I logged out of this account and logged back in, and it seems fine now. Oh, now you're back. Great. You missed the fiasco. Taking a short off of this this gap after we took out the highs. I think I'm just aiming for like 50 points. What's up, Knives? I can't get my volume profile stuff up anymore. Half the time it tells me I can only use a week. I can only look back a week with volume analysis, but now it's telling me I don't even have it, but that's not true. We might be flipping long here. Yeah, I mean, I started the stream by saying I'm looking for higher prices. However, we will take we will take a setup that forms, which I think that was valid because I was looking at the one back here, but we waited for the market to go up, take it out even more, and then we displaced down. So it's fine. We'll wait for the next one. But now, maybe a long, if we come back in there, might be better. And it was only 20-ish points, right? Maybe 25, so that's no big deal. Let's wait a few minutes and see what it's going to do. Probably rip higher. ES is lagging behind here. Does anyone else feel like Nasdaq is a girl and ES is a guy? I don't know why. Damn, we should have just reversed. Already would have had our points back. Dow is a guy. So Nasdaq and ES are girls. They're women. Yo, why didn't we just go long? Spirit animal. I remember watching that. Oh, forgot about this guy down here. I checked. Said I had a working order. Here we go. Oh, damn. Is this going to be a reversal, or are we just coming back down to like this area and we can long it? I don't know, Tyler. I feel like we still kind of go higher. I see we're in a day fair value gap on the daily. But we have a new day gap at 156 to 188. I want a long, but I'm not I don't want to risk 50 points. Yeah, but why would we go lower now? If we come back down here, I'll take a long. I think I'll take a long. I mean, it's pretty close. Yeah, but I still. Here's the 4 hour. Still got all these highs that we could be going up and taking out. We're obviously moving up since 419. So why don't we just keep going for a little while? Back up into this range. Yeah, for sure. Damn, that was... I'm gonna just wait and see if we come back down here. This was only 3 points away. I could have put at least one contract on and then added another one if we came down. Look at that. Look at that at the 50%. And we've only gone 16 points, but I like the way Nasdaq is moving today, though. Nice big candles. Not a lot of overlap. Not a lot of wicks. ES is just freaking pumping. It's ES. I'm just going to get in one contract for now. This could also be one of those days where I just get chopped up because I'm trying to trade when I don't really know where it's going. I mean, I guess I never do, but I don't feel confident in one direction or another. So I guess we'll just hold on to this, see what happens. But ES is at its highs, making new highs every second. Nasdaq is getting up there. I added a second one right there because I wanted to add one earlier when we were moving up, but then it's going to bring my average up. So we came back. I'll add one. We'll do 3. We will do 3. And we've got like a little high on the 15-minute at 18,131. Damn right I want my points back. And again, we can be a little aggressive on this, a little more aggressive on this account, or spend 2 weeks on it, or basically a third of the way done. We're sitting at minus 100 at the moment on the day. I mean, look at this. Look at that tap on the at the 50%. Can we expect to go at least another 50% from there, which would be 30, or from the highs? And that would be 130. That'd be right at that high that I just said on the 15-minute. I think it's reasonable. $130, that's where we're looking. If I put this on the 15-minute, scroll over, we've been working through all this displacement. We got this little swing high right here. So we'll just aim right beneath it. I don't want to see us turn around after sweeping this high by a little bit. We don't want to see that. Yo, Alito. Come on. Get the hell out of here, Tyler, with that crap. These? What time frame? All these guys are here? I don't like that. Like, I don't like that for equal lows. I mean, we're up above 100, so that's good. Can we stay up there and keep going? Just double checking the news. Yeah, I don't see anything. 6-month bill high yield at 11.30. A few of those at 11.30. ES is trying to get out of going higher. We need Nasdaq to pull through. Thinking about putting a stop above break even. I don't really want to take a loss on this trade. If we don't have to. I freaking hate break-even stops, though. You did. No, 5-second trading. I haven't done that in a couple weeks. I was getting a little too ahead of myself on the 5-second chart, so I scaled down to micros and we were taking bigger trades to force myself to just chill out. I don't remember what happened on the 5-second. Yeah, it was allowing me to just go too big of size and easily get chopped up when I'm not right. Let's get out of this. Man, that would have came down and hit my stop, I think. And then now it's probably going to go higher. We'll just wait for something better if something better comes along. It's not even 10 yet. No, I haven't touched the 5-second. Let's see. Look at all these little. mean, we could do some 5-second scalping on this account. Just as I was telling Nasdaq that it was looking good today with its movements, then we get into this. But we made a high. We took out the high from here, so we'll probably be going down now. The orb worked this morning. It didn't. It looked like it wasn't working, but my chart was not rendering what price was actually doing. But I got 5. I just aimed for like 22 ticks, and we got two micros for 22 ticks. I only run it on micros though, so I don't really. Like I've said, that's not really a setup for me, but other people like it. But yeah, here's our 929 candle, and it placed 2 longs up here and 2 shorts down here, and we obviously went down and got filled for the 5 points on this move. But in the moment, it looked weird because my chart was not rendering this candle. We were rendering like a candle way up here, so I wasn't really sure what was happening. I had to sign out and sign back in. But it worked. It did work. Had that been minis, that would have been $200. We just did micros for 20. Why not knives? Yeah, see, I don't know. I don't think I think that opening move is just too it's too much I don't think you can read into it that much. Because you try to read into it and then we do get a good move. And sometimes you read into it and you think it's going to do a good move and then it just opens up and it chops. So, yeah, exactly. This is going to go higher, isn't it? If we get a candle that closes above this, then I'll buy the next red candle. Or the next little pullback. Pretty sure that's where our entry was back down here. So we probably would have never been in the red. Could have just held this. I want to see that we close above this high right here. And we're about to. We'll just FOMO right into here. All right, we're just going to hold on to this one. I don't really care. Risking probably at this stop. But we can still aim for the 130. It's just for, this one's for knives. This one's dedicated to our good friend Knives. If we weren't in as good of shape on this account as we are, then I probably wouldn't take this trade. Which me saying that means we shouldn't be in this. Yeah, this isn't a YOLO trade. It's 2 micros. I'm not YOLOing anything. No, it's not coming down to get me. It's coming down so I can average down. That's all. Now we're going to go up here to 130. And it's going to go straight to my target. Watch. That's all it's doing. It's just playing some games today. How do I look at our order flow? I just look at these candles. Yo, it's going to 130, right, Tyler? You guys have to remember, this is just one trade. It's gonna be fine. This account is still, even if this trade is a losing trade, I'm still more than halfway to passing this account, and it's only been halfway through the month. It's one trade. I mean, if this was like 4 minis, then maybe you guys can like start freaking out on me. But it's one trade. And I'm sized reasonably. It's up one stop. Oh, we need that 130. Even on that candle, that swing high is on the 5 minute too, that 131 right there. We're just sitting in this order block. That's all I want. Honestly, we could probably target up into here. Man, Nasdaq really freaking slowed down. It's because we've been taking trades in here. Had this gorgeous open. And as soon as we get in trades, it does this. What the hell, Tyler? We've already came up above that first high. I don't think that we should go back down to there unless we're going to go just keep going lower. But I wouldn't think it would come back here and then bounce off of that to go higher. Because we look at this move at the 50%. And then it went up and broke the highs. So it doesn't really need, I don't think it, in my opinion, I don't think it needs to come back down here unless it's just going to go lower. But since I want it to go higher, I don't think it should go down there. ES is breaking the highs right now. That's good. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Damn, look at ES. Look at him go. Come on. 130. It's only 15 points more. And if this trade works, that means I could have just left the first one on and left my stops alone, left the take profit alone, and just left it all. Come on. You need some like quick buttons for all the different acronyms. ES on the 1 minute, which I never look at. Had this little displacement. Came back down to it. I want to see that gets respected. I'm gonna go get more coffee while this plays out. What is this? This isn't looking good. This is not looking good. ES just traded down beneath, or it's pushing to get beneath that. This looks like it wants to frickin' go retrace all this now. This little gap is not a good sign. If we come up there, do I just want to get out and be done, or get out in short? No, we're just leaving our we're leaving our exits alone. That's what got us into this situation in the first place. Start second guessing everything once you get into a trade, so just leaving it and accept the outcome. We're going to accept this red trade with honor. What if this trade ended up working? Have you guys taken anything? I don't remember seeing anybody. I remember seeing Knives say that he was too scared this morning to trade. I don't think anyone else has taken anything. No, YOLOs don't have rules. The only YOLO rule is to not be scared. Damn, look at ES. Nah. ES. Okay, ES went down and filled this in and then turned around. Nasdaq has just stayed up in this range this whole time on the 5 minute. Yeah, that's why my that's why my YOLOs never work. Oh, never mind. I was comparing ES 5-minute to Nasdaq's 5-minute. I was comparing ES's 1 minute to Nasdaq's 5-minute. 5 minutes look way different. Nasdaq just has these barcode candles and ES doesn't. Here it goes. That's not too bad. This will put us at like minus 200-ish. So yeah, minus 240. Not stressing over it. We're still up 2,000 on this account. And we've got 2 weeks left. So plus, the closer we get to it, we're either going to do really bad or do really good, because we're going to just use more size closer we get to the 30-day mark, which I got to look up whenever that is. I need to, because I'm not going to let it renew. So I either need to pass it. I have to pass it before it renews, because it renews at the full price, and I paid like $17 for this account. I'm not renewing it for 130 or 140 or whatever it is. So we have to either just get it passed or start over. I mean, I'm not going to go like 10 minis all of a sudden tomorrow, unless we're on like the last day. I just mean like today we got up to 4 contracts, and I haven't been doing that. I haven't been going up to 4 so on this account. I still like higher prices on this. Maybe not. Maybe not. Now we go higher. I don't think I want to take any more trades on this. Probably just call it there. We're really like slowing down here. Puts us at minus 240. Oh no, 248. Not too bad. It's something we can stomach that. At 10:30. Is there something at 10:30? I don't know. I don't think I want to risk any more on this. Rather just come back tomorrow. That's what I need to do on red days. Need to stay. Red days need to stay at a manageable red day instead of turning into a really bad red day. And while this account still looks good, we need to just leave it there. Yeah, I mean, we got stopped out on that trade. We're down like 240, 248 on this account, but the overall account is still at plus 2,000. So it's not that big of a deal. And I think we have 8 or 9 days left. And this is just getting it's getting a wee bit choppy. This is an eval. I just traded the evals on stream and PA's off stream. I'm not. Oh, price action not looking good for 50 point. Yeah. Man, had I left my original trade, where was it? We had 2 in here. And at that point in time, I think I was willing. I don't know where I was willing to hold it. The red one. I don't know where I was willing to put my stop. Maybe beneath this swing. So it would still be live. Yeah, I say that all the time. Then I change my mind. And then when I don't touch them, then we end up being red. But it's all good. Yeah, I mean, we'd be in a green trade right now if we just left that first one alone. I have to start doing that. Just leave it. Just leave my exits alone. If they take a long time, then so be it. If they take all day, I can just leave it there. Yeah, I got a little too antsy jumping in on that first short. That didn't work out. I just thought, well, I mean, everything lined up for a short there. Just obviously didn't work out. Oh well, we move on to the next day. But all right, you guys have a good one. We'll be back. We will be back tomorrow morning at the same time. So if you guys keep trading, good luck. Follow your rules and see you in the AM. Oh. Making money blind in the city lights. He plays this game, buying and selling, the thrill of the